Hello my beautiful people, my name is Yeva and in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if your account was hacked. So Bigo has thousands and thousands of new users every single month. So it's normal that, as in on any other social media, there are good people and bad people. So I want to explain you and tell you about one of the possible scammers scenario that they do on the app. They're trying to hunt a new host, new people that don't really know what's happening on the app, and they're trying to get into their accounts. And the way how they do it is they promise you a gift, big gift, dragon or yacht, but they want to recharge your account. So they asking for your WhatsApp number, and usually WhatsApp number is connected with your account. So they ask your number, and then they say, okay, so I'm recharging your account now. They're sending you screenshot of how they're recharging your account, and they're trying to make a rush in all this situation. They're like, look, I'm recharging your account and I need you to send me this confirmation code. So you get a confirmation code on your phone saying, do not give this to anyone. But because you are so stressed and it's happening so quickly, you don't really think about that this person can hack your account. When you send this code to that person, that is the moment when the person joining your Bigo account. What they usually do, they take all the beans and diamonds that you have in your account, and then they try to blackmail you. They're trying to ask you something in return of your own account. How they do that is when they have your phone number, they try to log in to your Bigo account using your phone number, and then they press forgot the password, and that confirmation code is for changing the password. So when you give this code to that person, they immediately get into your account with the new password, and then they change the password to you. You cannot get back to your account, and then they take everything. If things like that happen, try not to panic. Even if they try to blackmail you and ask you some things, do not give them anything. Do not talk with them. Immediately inform Bigo, and you can appeal for your account. There is a form. You can press appeal. You can explain the situation that your account was stolen. You need to change the number because person probably already changed your original number to his number. Then you need to have your phone number on a piece of paper, and you need to take a picture of your phone number and your face, and you need to send it to the appeal team, and they need to check the account, check the locations, where is the account now, because usually those people are from a different countries than you are. It takes few days to get back your account, and it's just such a stressful situation, especially if you are new. So to avoid that kind of situation, I have few advice. First of all, do not give your personal phone number to strangers. Even you think that those people are your friends, always be aware that this could be a part of their scam scenario. They acting that you can trust them, they give you a few beans, but then they trying to get into your personal information. So don't get your phone number, especially that phone number that is connected directly with your Bigo account. The next thing you can do is to connect your Bigo account with Instagram or Facebook, and that way you can log into your account, not using your phone number, but using your Facebook, which is harder to, to get into than just have connected your phone number. And the third thing, if things like that happen, do not panic. Try to stay calm. They like to play this kind of mind game to make you feel that you lost everything. Stay calm. Contact Bigo, contact your agency if you have agency. It will be all fine, but for the future, do not give your phone number to those people. If they're promising you dragons and yachts and they just want to recharge on your account, just tell them that if they want to support you, they can do that during your live stream like everyone else. If it feels too good to be true, probably it is too good. Don't trust those people, and ask them if they want to support you, to support them during your live stream. In that way, you will be safe. If for some reason you want to give your personal number to someone, be sure that this number is not connected with your Bigo account. That's it. If you have any other questions about that, drop me a comment below. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel. Stay safe. As in on any other social media, do not give your personal information unless you really, really, really trust that person and you know that person. Otherwise, try to keep a little distance from people and try to stay professional and keep your personal information for you only. So have a great summer, and if you have any questions, drop me a comment below, write me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram in the description. Press subscribe. I hope you will have an amazing summer and great fun on social media. Ta-ta!